Yo, what's going on? Back at it. Damn, this shit dirty. Yo, back at it. Picked up a new tool today. Something slight. Little toolbox. I've been working out of these little toolboxes here for the longest. So I finally got something to get organized with. Got an orange to match my little jack, whatever. Vacuum. So let's see how it goes. Damn, I'm tired already. So I took it out the box, and this will be it. So let's get all this off of here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh shit. I gotta put these on there.
You got lifted?
Hey.
Jamie on the beat, boy.
Y'all don't have one of these? Get you one. AC Delco, about 80 bucks. Best investment I ever bought. Shit. Still got a whole toolbox left to go. But I got all these little nuts and washers on there. I'm sweating like hell. It ain't that bad. I've used a 10 mil, and it needs to get tightened with a 13 mil. So let's see how this goes. Next step is to grab these support beams here. I think they fit like this here to actually support the actual toolbox. That's what it says there. I obviously ain't read the shit, but that's how it looks. So we'll see how that goes. So that wasn't too bad. Got my bolts in, and I'm just gonna hit them with the ratchet. All right, we got the base, we got the wheels, we got the little lip, got the actual chest sits on. So now we got to move that all the way on top of here. And this shit is not like chest Let's see sitting how on it there. goes. Looking all nice. Now we just have to get these holes here to align with the new bolts. Then we should be good to go. Just like that, that's it. This is the US General 4-drawer tech cart. It's got a nice key lock here, comes with 4 keys. Flip up. Got a nice little handle, 4 wheels, casters. 2 have locks. And you got a little small 2 skinny drawers. Might put some sockets or something in there. A nice medium-sized deep drawer. Then you got one pretty big drawer here. Might can put your electric tools, or I think about putting my electric ratchets or my whatever, breaker bars or anything like that. And I think you can put your screwdrivers, extensions, breaker bars, and they got some more slots down here for things like that. But I'm pretty impressed. It was $199, but I had a coupon, so I think it was like $162 out the door. Hey, I like it, man. I'm surprised I actually got it together.